To achieve financial freedom, you need to have at least a minimum of 2 units. Obviously, that would depend on what is the cost of living for you and your family. But if you are, let's say, a corporate employee leaving that job or going into the journey of being a franchisee, usually it's going to take at least 2 units for you to be able to replace your income. Usually it is said that 1 unit is a job. However, one franchise unit on average gives you a take-home revenue of about $40,000 a year. And you are a corporate executive going into franchising, your probably average salary is $80,000 or more. If one average franchise unit gives you about a take-home of $40,000, that means that you need at least 2 of them to be able to replace the income you have right now. Now, obviously, how much that is going to depend on the brand that you have and what is your cost of living and the salary that you're having. But on average, that is something that you need to know to be able to understand financially what it means to be a franchisee and how much money can you actually get from a franchise.